Do you sometimes like to spend the cold evenings with a warm mug of hot chocolate topped with some whipped cream? Yeah, I know that sounds really tempting, isn't it? But I'm not talking about the regular whipped cream. I'm talking about coconut whipped cream. Whether you're vegan or not, whether you like dairy or not, I'm confident that you're going to love this rich, creamy and fluffy coconut cream. You can add a dollop of this cream to your cakes, chia pudding or simply just dip some fruits into it. And now before we get started, do you see that tiny thumbs up button below the video? Go hit that like button, share this with your friends and subscribe to our channel to never miss our new recipes. And now without any further delay, let's start whipping.
Add a can of coconut milk to a bowl. Scoop out the cream and leave the water aside. Don't forget to refrigerate the can of coconut milk overnight. Do not freeze the can. This is an optional step, but I highly recommend it. Freeze the bowl and the mixer blades for 10 to 15 minutes before using it.
Do try this recipe and let me know how that goes in the comment section down below. Like, share and subscribe to our channel to never miss our new recipes. Also follow us on Instagram at Palatable Platter. See you next week.